Hey there friends, we are back talking about Vinco Ventures, ticker on this one BBIG if you don't know. So what is going on with this stock right now? So obviously, just going into what's happening right now, we have had major liftoff just today with Vinco, with a 20% climb here with Vinco. So as I said, we're probably going to see Vinco venture around this high $5 to $7 to $8 mark on a good day for a little bit longer here until we see more news come out about active news with the company and what they're doing. And that's what we need. We need some good news right now with what the company is doing. So if you're looking up information about Vinco Ventures right now, let me go ahead and pre-warn you that you are going to find some pretty harsh articles about Vinco. And I get why these analysts, these people that write articles are attacking Vinco Ventures right here because of the CEO, his background, and what Vinco is getting itself into. It's a pretty broad scale, I will admit, but it's a very smart idea because, like I've said in the past, I personally want to invest into things that are revolutionary into the future as an investor. With Vinco being involved in NFTs, crypto, streaming platform, a video platform, all of these things, guess what? They are huge right now. These are trillion-dollar industries when you put them all together. They are humongous. This is what this generation is looking for. This is what this generation of investors is looking for. And that's why I say if Vinco Ventures can actually work here, this could be something amazing here in the future to hold. But obviously we're going to have rough waters until we get to that point. Now, looking at Vinco and what it's been doing here on the charts, past month we've had just steady decline in the stock. We've had major sell-off. Today, however, like I said, we have seen liftoff here back into this $7 mark. Today, why you're seeing Vinco take off here more than usual is because this is going to be a pretty big week for crypto coming into Friday here in the week out. Then we had the spin-off company that is Kryptoid here that directly has to do with Vinco Ventures here. And pretty much to sum this up, today investors appear to be pricing in enthusiasm around a key crypto update set to be unraveled this Friday. Vinco Ventures recently provided investors with a proxy statement for a spin-off titled Kryptoid. This spin-off will aim to allow the company to leverage the blockchain technologies further. By doing so, the company will disrupt consumer-facing industries. So we've talked about this, we've been waiting for this, and this could definitely run up Vinco here to a good little mark here. Now, I don't want to get anybody's hopes up. I'm going to be totally honest with you, friends. There is a army of people that love and understand what Vinco is trying to do here. And then there are a lot of people that are not really getting it, not really seeing the full broad scale view of what it's trying to do. And I get that if you're not familiar with NFTs, you're not a fan of crypto, you just don't really want to mess with it, this would be a little bit of a different company to get yourself involved with as an investor. I completely understand that. But talking about that volume earlier, let's go right back into what we're seeing with volume, because volume is a telltale sign to what could be coming here rather than sooner. Yesterday, Monday, we started off and we only had around right under 23 million in volume, which is not fantastic, and it's quite lower than usual. Now, we have had worse days than that, going back to the first and the fourth here with only 15 million and 11 million, and then that fifth was at 17 million. So right here, starting 10/6, we're seeing that 20 million volume, we're seeing that 78 million volume, we're now seeing 18 million volume. Now starting into Monday, we are going around 22 million volume. And then today, obviously, we are hitting a lot more volume, which obviously because we are seeing quite the walk up. And this thing is still after hours is walking up quite a bit here. It's trying to break into that $8 mark again. Will it do it going in tomorrow? That's really going to be tough to say, friends. Like I said, there is so much negative news coming at this company right now. But if you know me and you know my channel, I truly love when these analysts, these articles are ripping into stocks that I'm very bullish in, because I think a lot of the time these kind of articles that you see that are just so negative, they're picking on things that have either been pushed around, hyped up, and are kind of on a little bit of a trajectory down right now until it has some more news, some more gas thrown on the fire here. And it's kind of just an easy poke at it right now. And I can't tell you how many times I've seen these writers and these, these analysts so be completely wrong and come back within a month or so and say, well, something must still be going on here, or they just move on to another easy target to talk about. With a market cap right now, we have 570.42 million with a public float of 90.45 million and an average volume of 50 million. And that short interest as of 9/30/21 is sitting around 22.82 million. Of course, that's kind of all over the board right now. So friends, when it comes to Vinco Ventures for the rest of the week here, I would watch it like a hawk here. If this is something that you're long term in, this is going to be a good week for you. If this is something that you're short in and you're trying to get in and out of, or maybe you're stuck in it and you just want to get out of it, this could be that week, because we're probably going to see bigger news come out here by the end of the week. Obviously Friday, what is happening, and this could surely be pushed into an $8 to a $9 range, and then anything after that would be totally where I would say be careful buying into this, because obviously at the end of the week, if this is pushed up to a $8 to $9 mark, we're probably going to have a slow bleed off again until we see this company come out with bigger news here, because this is a very new idea. This is a very new company, because friends, there's still a lot in the oven here. This is still cooking. This is still needing time to rise here. So friends, I am very bullish on this one. I like it. I like where it's going. I'm quite a fan of it, and I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited about the future of it and what they're trying to do with NFT situation, with the crypto situation, and them as a company that holds stocks to where you as an investor can invest in this broad view of what they're trying to do. So friends, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye friends.